Hey there, I'm here today with my 2013 Volvo S60 T6R design, and I'm going to change my engine air filter. Alright, so the first place we're going to start is under the hood. First and only place, I should say. This is going to be a pretty easy job. All we've got to do is open up this cover here, take out our old filter, and put the new one in. All right, so before we get started, just want to point out this is for the T6 Volvo engine. So that's your 6-cylinder engine. The other option for this vehicle, the Volvo S60s from 2011 to 2018. There's also a T5 5-cylinder engine available. So if you got the T6, just go ahead and follow this process exactly. If you got the T5, it's probably going to look a little bit different. I'm not sure if the placement of the filter is any different on that engine. The filter, I do know, is a different air filter, so it's not going to be the same part number, but in principle, it should be basically the same process. All right, so I'll start just by taking out these 4 screws in the air filter housing. They're just all a T25 star head torque screwdriver. That's all you're going to take those out of there. So those may not come all the way out of there, and that's fine. You can just leave them in the top holes because this whole thing will pull off. That's actually kind of nice because then you don't take those out and lose them somewhere when you're replacing the filter. If you want, you can undo this hose clamp. I'm just going to cheat and kind of lift it up here though, and grab our old filter out. All right, so I'll grab my new filter here out of the box. I've got this STP brand filter. I don't even see a part number for it on here, but you can definitely just look that up online for whatever brand of filter you want to get. Looks like there maybe is one right there. That's probably one of those. Is probably the STP part number. I'm not sure about that. All right, so then I did just wipe out some junk I had at the bottom there, just to clean it out good. Then I'm going to take this new one. I'm going to fit in there one way, of course. And then I'll just put this back on. And you just got to make sure that you get this plastic cover over the edge of your filter and seal it down tight. But as long as you line up those screws, you should get it down in place just fine. All right, so there you go. That's how you swap out the air filter on a Volvo T6 engine. On a Volvo S60. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you out.